Well, the light snow on Sunday reminded us that winter is still here, even though we're headed into the last half of January. What's ahead for your Tuesday? 13 weather ball is blinking bright. We have some light snow overnight, may last a couple 3 hours. It's also green, no change to the 30s foreseen, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Hey, this is Fuzz. Tony, if you want to take Fuzz out for a walk, bundle him up. It's going to be cold this evening. Temperatures right around or a little bit below freezing, both for your evening and morning walk. Watch out for a spot of black ice. Love to be outside, don't you, Fuzz? Tomorrow, our green energy report. A little bit more sun where the solar energy farms are located. 3.4 though out of a 10-point scale. Yeah, that's not a lot. Winds down a little bit from where they were today. Still 1.2 million equivalent homes powered by the wind alone here tomorrow. A little bit breezier here tonight as a cold front drops down through the region. Right now there are some snow showers up in the UP and northeastern Wisconsin. Those are going to blossom. This is right around 11 o'clock tonight, snowing up around Ludington, Big Rapids, reaching the greater Grand Rapids area shortly thereafter. Pretty much all done after about 3 a.m. And in its wake, tomorrow we'll see some lake effect flurries. These are all inconsequential, but again, just enough to whiten up the ground here and there. This is a system coming in for late Tuesday night, Wednesday. This is going to put down quite a bit of snow, especially from Grand Rapids south to the east. That'll pull out on a Wednesday night, and we'll be back into some lake effect snow all the way into early Friday morning. There's going to be a system snow. This is an Alberta Clipper coming down through Friday that will have an impact at the end of the week. We're not done yet. There's another system coming through on Sunday that will bring some snow to the area, and one behind that as well. So several rounds of some snow. This is the snow overnight tonight, maybe a quarter to 3/4 of an inch. Reset the clock. This is the Wednesday into early Thursday snow. You can see the heavier amounts just to our south and east. And then we have that Friday snow coming down. This is another 2-3+ inches on top of what we've already had. And then this is the Saturday night through Sunday system. Again, heavier snow to the south and east. And when you add it all up between now and the end of the month, there could be a half a foot or more in many locations. And at times you'll need to shovel and plow some of that. Tonight, though, we'll have a brief, little bit of snow come down from the north. Generally, US 10 down to about M57 is where the best chance for that will be. Overnight lows, upper 20s, and those will be this evening. Mid and upper 20s for the evening lows with breezy conditions or becoming breezier. You'll notice it later on this evening. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll just see a light dusting towards daybreak. And these are evening lows in the mid 20s. 13 on your side forecast. We've highlighted Wednesday and Friday with the yellow winter hazard alert there as we see some snow showers and some light snow. A little bit windy on Friday, a little bit colder than over the weekend, staying below freezing again. But next week, even colder weather with highs only in the 20s to maybe even 19 next Thursday. And from time to time, we'll see some accumulating lake effect snow, guys.
Brr.
Wow, yeah, that's cold.
That does look cold. Thank you, Serge.
Well, back to January weather for a change. Sunday's snow was just a preview of what we are going to see here the rest of the month of January. 13 weather ball, blinking bright, a little light snow overnight, first of several rounds. It's also green, no change to the 30s foreseen, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Low and mid 30s across West Michigan. Average is 30 here in Grand Rapids. We made 31 and we forecast 34, just within our 3-degree target. 16 days in a row we have done that. We've got a cold front coming down from the north. That is going to really increase our winds here this evening. Also bring in some light snow right around 11 o'clock, starting to cross into the Ludington, Big Rapids area, getting down into Grand Rapids by about 11 p.m. or midnight. It's only going to last for a little while, and just enough to put a dusting on the ground. And then a couple of lake effect snow showers throughout the day tomorrow. So this will be a very little or low impact system. As we get into Wednesday morning, however, snow affecting your morning commute, and there'll be a lot of snow throughout the day. Heaviest snow will fall to the south and east of Grand Rapids. There will be another system coming down on Friday that's going to bring more significant snow to the area once again. So Wednesday and Friday this week, we've got that round of snow that'll put down enough to shovel and plow. And then a system will slip by to our south on Saturday night into Sunday morning, and then there'll be a third round here early next week. This is tonight's snow, about an inch around the Big Rapids area and points northward, just enough to whiten up the grass here in the greater Grand Rapids area. We reset the clock, and this is a Wednesday through Thursday snow. An inch plus here in Grand Rapids, heaviest off to our south and east. We reset the clock again. This will be for Friday. You can see about 2 or 3 inches of snow across West Michigan. That will be, some of that will be courtesy of Lake Michigan, and that final round of snow snow coming on through all the way into next Tuesday. 2 to 4 inches, maybe even up 6+ down to the south and east of us. And all told, over the next 10 days or so, we could see a half a foot of snow or more, all coming in a little bit chunks. So definitely a cold end to the month of January. So tomorrow, a few lake effect flurries, mid-30s for highs. Winds will be much lighter out of the west than they were tonight to tomorrow. Mid-30s up north as well. A few lake effect flurries from time to time. Similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Highs tomorrow between about 35 and 36. 13 on your side forecast. We've highlighted Wednesday and Friday with your impact days. Kind of windy on Friday. Much colder weather than over the weekend with falling temperatures Saturday, and we'll stay in the 20s to near 20 the first part of February with on and off snow showers from time to time.